Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. I'm actually planning to do a lot more of these now, but anyways, I got a comment on my last video saying, where is it? It said, make your own Earth and Moon. It was from a person called, sorry if I'm saying this wrong, Kiefer Cheevers the Water Yoshi. But anyways, yeah, I got a comment from them and they said, make your own Earth and Moon. So here's a planet I've had for a long time now. I called it Pascal. I don't know, I just liked the name. I just heard it and I liked it, so I just named the planet after it. But anyways, yeah, I made this in like one of the old updates, but today I'm gonna be making like a new version of this in the new updates. I haven't actually really done that yet. So anyways, let's go into a new simulation and let's do this. So first of all, I just want to place a sun. So the fact that it says a new Earth and Moon, the comment, I'm guessing it means like from formation. So I want to, so pretend this is like, oh, whoops. Whoa, what happened there? Why'd it go back? What the heck? Wait. Oh, there we go, I knew that I'd fix it. Right, anyway, so pretend our new star has just formed. So our proto star has just turned into our main sequence star. And now there's going to be a lot of dust and debris around this new star. And then we obviously want to form that into planets. So anyways, what would be a decent distance and proxima? Let's have a look. Probably about, let's just rename it as well. Let's just call it star. Alright. So we probably want to put it in the green zone, I guess. So anyways. In fact, no, actually, should we have it? Yeah, let's put it in the green. Alright, so I obviously want to start off with, so what should I base it on? So let's base it on an Earth. So I just want to have it so I can change like the atmosphere features and the climate. So let's just pretend this is like, let's just make it really small. So let's make it 6 kilometers wide. There we go. So this is our like first piece of debris which we want to make a planet from. So let's rename it Pascal as well, because for some reason I like that. Don't judge me. But anyways, let's turn that off. Alright, so here's our first ever like planet, I guess. And also, because they said make your own moon as well, let's put another like, so let's just grab a let's just do a Mimas. It's quite large. Let's put it over here for now. So pretend that's another planet for now, because if you've like looked at the hypothesis for like how the moon came, they think it like hit the Earth and things like that. So I think I may do the same thing here. I don't know. Oh, that looks pretty cool. How the stars in the middle of the Milky Way. That's pretty cool. But anyways, so let's start this up. So let's hit play. Oh, and Pascal seems to be losing some mass. I think that was some of the water on it. Yeah, the water's gone. Alright, anyways. Let's start hitting it with things. Actually, I think it's a little too small, actually. Let's just make it quickly 20 kilometers, maybe? There we go. So now we can actually throw stuff into it. Right, anyways. So basically, what I want to do is, I literally just want to start throwing stuff into it. Alright, there we go. Don't want to make it too fast. Because we need to get this planet into some proper, well, good amount of mass. Let's throw some of Mars's moons at it. Phobos and Deimos, I think it's how you say them. I don't know about the second. I know how you say the first one, Phobos, but I don't know about the second one, Deimos. I don't know. But anyways, let's just spam these guys in. Look at all the debris coming out. But Pascal is getting bigger, that's for sure. Oh, it's got like a fiery surface now. That's pretty cool. Don't really want to push it towards a star. We want to keep it in an even decent direction. Whoa. Yes, that looks pretty nice. Alright, nice. Oh, its rotation is all going to mess up now. If you just saw that. All of these collisions are making its rotation change. Look at all the debris as well. That's awesome. Alright, there's Mimas in the background over there. Alright, so let's continue spamming objects in. Alright, how large are we now? Can we throw a Mimas into it yet? Oh, no, definitely not. Alright, let's do that. Alright, now we're going to grow. Let's turn that on. I don't want to throw a Mimas, that's a bad idea. Wait, let's just throw loads of Phoboses in. Alright, that's going to take a while. Come on, there we go. In fact, I'm just going to click it a ton of times, let's just say that. Right, anyways. Yes, and also, if you guys have any suggestions for what I should do in this game, leave a comment down below and I'll probably reply to it, and also I'll probably actually do it in a video. Alright, anyways. Oh, that's getting pretty hot. How hot are we now? Come on, let me click on it. There's all like little particles coming out. We're at 4,000 degrees now. It's almost as hot as the sun. We're definitely hotter than Proxima over there. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, 3,069. This is at 4,100. Anyways, let's speed it up. We're going to get any bigger in size? Yep. Gotta keep on doing this for some reason. Well, is it see-through? Wait, can we can... yeah, it's see-through, look. It's so hot, it's just like a see-through ball now. Look, I can actually go inside it. Oh, that's cool. I don't know how this is I don't even know how this is even a thing. What, is it made of gas? No, it's literally just silicate. Oh, I guess if you make it too hot, it goes all weird. Alright, anyways. Let's continue throwing some Phobos in. There we go. Phobos shouldn't even be a circle or like a circular object in this, because in real life it's an asteroid. Mars probably called it from the asteroid belt. I don't think we'll ever know that though. And Phobos is actually destined to crash into Mars as well eventually. It'll get destroyed by Mars's tidal forces and it will become a ring system. So from what people are saying, Mars will one day have a ring system, and that would be pretty interesting. So it'll be the first inner planet to get rings that we know of. We don't know if like any of the inner planets had rings like in the past. Yeah, why is Pascal just a cloud right now? That's mad. Right, how large is it now? Is it large enough for a Mimus yet? Is it? Not yet. Alright, oh my god, look at it. Yeah, look at that, 56 now. And then also, as planets form, they'll be getting... So I'm just going to call this fragment quick. As planets form, obviously, this wouldn't be the only planet in the system. There'd be other planets, that's why I put like Mimus over there, but there'd be lots of other planets in the system as well, it wouldn't just be one, so... And they'd also be gaining in size as well, so instead of just throwing loads of Phoboses at it, I should be throwing larger objects, since as the system, like as it continues forming, there'll be larger and larger objects which continually hit each other. Because it wouldn't just be tiny little objects, they'd eventually all collide into large objects. So if I just save this as fragment, now I can collide it with itself and get like much more mass quicker. So let's rename it that again. Alright. So where's fragments in here? I have a lot of what's the word? A lot of user objects, that's it. So now we can throw this into this and see how well this goes. So let's do this. Go. Oh. Oof, it all like cooled down for some reason. Well, we're gonna get a ton of these crashing into each other. Oh, look at that. Oh. Whoa. They went through it. What the heck? Why are they going through it? Yeah, the game's a little buggy sometimes when it does that. It's so annoying. Yeah, why are they going through it? That's so weird. Can we like drag it back? I think they were going too fast. Wait. In fact, let's just remove these quick. Let's just delete those. Oh, they're all going everywhere. I can feel the lag. Let's just remove all the particles quick. Oops. Control and D. There we go. Yeah, if you want to remove particles, hit Control and D if you have this game. Anyways, let's put it to what it should be by now. So let's just speed it up a bit. There we go. Oh, I want to keep that on. Now, I think we can almost throw a Mimus in it now. Not yet. Almost there. Yeah, it takes a while to build planets. Oh, I don't want to throw in Enceladus. Oh, that could have been bad. No. Let's just remove those. In fact, this could take a while. So let's just put it up to 1,000. So there we go. So our planet has just formed. It's collided with a lot of other smaller, like planetoid, I think, or proto-planets. That's the word. So this is like our proto-planet now. And there's a few other like fragments, and there's Mimus over there for some reason. These are like all other little planets. So also, while that's forming, they'd obviously... Yeah, I'm kind of like going off the comment a bit. Instead of making just my Earth and Moon, I'm going to look like my own custom one. I'm just going to make a whole system. So let's just get some random rocky planets. So let's just put 2 there, like our solar system. This would be like the Earth. Let's have like a Mars. Then let's go to like, I don't know, gas giants and put these guys out here. So let's put 4 of them. Let's have an inner gas giant as well. Why not? So let's put it... Let's have a hot Jupiter. Let's put it really close to the star. There, you can see it there from there. So now we've got... So, yeah, so mostly all of our planets have now formed. Here's obviously my custom one. So all of the planets have now formed. Now I just need to get to the bit of the moon, and I need to terraform it into like a water well, because it did say your own Earth, so that implies it would be like habitable for human life. So anyways, so this is my custom solar system right now, and whoa, looks like Pascal's orbit's a little off, so let's just fix that quick. There we go. Well, that's one of the Mimuses doing that. Let's remove them quick. Oh. And also, I did say about the moon as well. So I'm going by the hypothesis that the moon hit the Earth. So let's put a random moon, not around Pascal, but nearby. So yeah, that's actually orbiting the star, but in theory it isn't, because it's going to get caught by the gravity. So here's our moon. Right, there it is, and then all Pascal's here. That would be boiling hot as well. So let's put it up to about 1,000. Oh, 1,000. There we go. All right. So, and then this could be one of the ways that water gets delivered. Oh, hang on, no, actually. They think water was delivered by, like, tiny meteors, so let's just get a Phobos quickly. Let's turn it into water, 100% water. Let's quickly just save it as water. And then save, there we go. And then delete that. And now we want to launch some water into it, because obviously, if it's going to be like Earth, it needs water, so let's... Where is it? There it is. Alright, so let's play again. And let's launch some water. Wait, I don't know. Why is it still called Phobos? I renamed it water. It even says water there. Wait, is that for everything? Wait. Let's just shoot a Miranda in quick. Yeah, that's alright. Okay, I don't know why it's called Phobos still. I guess that's a glitch. Or that's not going to do that. I really hope these are still made of water then. Let's have a look. Right, so now water's getting delivered. Yeah. They're still made of water. Yeah, so now this. So if you've like what's the word? Why do I keep on like, messing up? So if you've seen the like the hypothesis of like Earth's life, if you've ever heard of the late bombardment period, that is when they think the water first arrived on Earth, I believe, with all the meteors. So the main bombardment period has ended now. So this is just like the last few bits. So all of the planets have formed, like I've said. They've all formed, and then obviously they're just receiving like the final amounts of asteroids, I guess, and then a lot of them would form rings and moons, because any debris that gets caught in orbit would obviously eventually form a moon. So it's basically like the same thing over and over again, just not around the star but around a planet instead. But anyways, so the late bombardment period, let's just say the late bombardment period is about to end now. It's about to end. And all of the planets are formed, like I said, and now we're going to go into like the first like formation process of our Earth. So it's eventually going to cool down, and like the real Earth, they think it rained for millions of years. So we're not actually going to do that. We're just going to manually cool it down. But anyways, right. So we've got water. Have we got water on it now? Okay, where'd the water go? That's annoying. Let's just quickly add that back, please. Oh, it keeps on losing it for some reason. Wait, have we got an atmosphere? Oh, we do have an atmosphere. We have an atmosphere. That's cool. Let's reflect a little more light. Alright, we're cooling down very quickly. We're not losing mass, are we? Alright, we're not losing mass. That's good. Okay, it's quite small right now. In fact, let's just increase the size a bit. So, like, let's just make it around Earth size. Yeah, pretend you didn't see that. Right, so here's our Earth. Alright. So now we can have water. For some reason, small objects in this game can't, like, hold water. The water just continually, like, disappears. Alright, so remove the particles. Alright, and oh my god, look at this. Another planet has just formed, is about to hit us. Isn't that familiar? Earth and Moon. Alright, anyways. So we've got this other protoplanet which is about to hit us, and hopefully some debris will come out and orbit around our Earth, or our Pascal. I'll just call it Pascal now. Alright, so it's formed. And obviously there, it's too hot, the water won't show up yet. But anyways, here we go. So yeah, this is what they think. Earth would have cooled down a little more before the moon hit it. Yeah, this is about right. Alright, so here we go. Let's slow it down. Let's get a good look at this collision. Oh, this is spinning really quick. How fast is it spinning? So one day is 41 seconds. Well, that's pretty cool. You can see how quick it's spinning around. That's crazy. Alright, I think some of like the dwarf planets in our solar system do that. Have like crazy spins like this. Anyway. Right, is it hit it yet? Yeah, right, we're going in. So this is our moon. But instead of going all the way in, it will like come out the other side like that. So it's now going to escape. Is it going to escape? Come on, just please escape. Because the real moon, they don't think it entirely hit Earth like direct on. They think it may have like done something like this. They think it may have like scraped the side of the Earth like that, and then like couldn't escape. So then it like gets away a bit, and then it gets locked by the gravity of like the Earth, because that's what they think actually happened. I'm not lying here. This is generally what I think like may have happened. So from like all the hypotheses I've heard. So the moon now hit our new planet, and it's like got caught in its gravity now, or what remains of it, because it would have lost a lot of mass when it hit like the planet itself. So now this is our Earth and Moon. And now obviously the planet would be tilted like it already is, but let's just make it a little more like Earth is tilted, so like something like that maybe. Right, let's just check its stats. Right, let's just make it so it's only spinning in one direction. So there we go. Right, there we go. So if we compare that to like the real Earth, it's around the same thing. It can't be exactly the same, but wait, let's just get the real Earth. Well, you can see it's tilted, like, yeah, you get the point. Yeah, it's tilted on its side because the North Pole is not like directly up. The North Pole is here, and then the South Pole is obviously down there. So the South gets a lot less light than the North does. And obviously after that impact, we should be really hot again. So let's do that. That's how hot it should be. Right, we won't do anything with the other planets. They're just there to just look nice, I guess. There we go. In fact, let's just see which one's the largest. Largest. Alright, so we've got our 4 gas giants, and we've got some rocky planets. And then here's our one, obviously. Right, so here's our custom Earth. Yeah, it looks a bit like our solar system, I guess, as well. We've got our Mercury, our Venus, our Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune there. Wait, did that gas giant in the centre hit? Oh, no, it didn't. Oh, this is what happened. The gas giant just lost all of its mass. Well, that sucks. Yeah, because whenever I place a gas giant here, it's lost all of its mass. It's tiny now. Well, that sucks for you. Alright, anyways. Back to this. Right, so now the moon have hit. I think after the planet... So let's call it down to 0 again. Right, so now the water should appear. Now this is the point in Earth's lives where, because water can now exist, I think this is the point where it started to rain for millions of years. So the oceans would form. Come on, please appear. Where are the oceans? Come on. Where are they? I think it's still cooling down for some reason. I don't know why it hasn't showed the water up, speed up a lot more. Come on, where's the water? There we go. Okay, we don't want to freeze yet. We haven't got to that point yet. So let's just leave it at 20 degrees, I guess. Alright. So now the whole planet is raining. The whole thing is literally just raining. It's going to be raining for millions of years. So now let's just pretend the million years have ended. Because I don't really want to play a million years in the game. Hey, hang on, wait. Does that constant look a little like... That reminds me of Australia, actually. I don't know. Anyone agree with me? That looks a bit like an Australia, I guess. Wait, why has it still got like lava on it? Right, anyways. Yeah, I won't have this much water though. So the planet just rained. But now, because obviously the star isn't warm enough to support the planet yet, the planet will obviously freeze up. So, like the game was trying to do, the planet will freeze. Because if you've heard, after like the planet rained for millions of years, then the entire thing froze, and they like nicknamed it Snowball Earth. And then this is like the first like proper ice age. And also you got to remember, by this time when it was like raining and stuff, life would start to evolve like from here onwards. But anyways, so let's put it to like -20. So now the whole thing will start to freeze up. Come on, let's do this. Please? Is it going to freeze? Ah, there we go. So here's our like Snowball Pascal. There we go. Snowball Pascal. Right, our moon is pretty much formed now. I don't know about brown. Let's put it to like a more grey colour. There we go. And we don't want an atmosphere. I guess it like stole some of the atmosphere from our planet maybe. I don't know. Right, so let's just remove it entirely. There we go. No surface pressure. Alright, anyways. Let's just leave our moon like that. So now the moon is pretty much going to stay like that for millions of years now. It's literally just going to be like that. So now the planet is what we have to focus on. Wait, what's this atmosphere compared to Earth anyway? Earth is 1 ATM. So this is about 40% the atmosphere of Earth. So if it is a real Earth, I'm pretty sure the real Earth would be able to survive in this orbit. I don't know. But anyways. So Snowball Earth. And now, and also you know, because like, as a star gets older, it gets brighter, it gets hotter as... Oh no, does it? Oh, it gets hotter until it hits the end of the main sequence stage. And when it turns to a red giant, it gets colder again. But anyways, yeah. So now, as time moves on, and I mean a lot of time, like, let's just pretend we had 2 billion years on. So this star is going to get a lot brighter. So we don't want the mass to go up much, but yeah, it's messing up the system a bit. But anyways... So let's just say the star's got bigger, it's got older, and its luminosity has got a little more. So let's make the luminosity of it about, let's make it 70% of the sun, so 0.7. Oh, okay, that's right. Whoa, it's got a little big, so let's just fix the orbits quick. Oh, I don't want to press that. So you go on power, press this button here, and then auto orbit. Let's go out of that again. Right, and all the planets' orbits are now like, they're all like fixed. And that looks like the gas giant, the one I put really close, is going to get engulfed by the main star. Because that's what would happen. Like, I've also heard theories about, oh, there could have actually once been a planet closer than Mercury, but as the sun got older and bigger, it got destroyed completely. So that's pretty much what just happened to that gas giant there. But anyways, Now the star's a lot brighter. Let's just hope the planet doesn't get too hot. Otherwise we can like manually move it out. Won't be a problem. But now, so billions of years later. So we're now pretty much like, let's just say like we're a billion years younger than Earth. So now the planet will start to warm up. And life, and if you've heard in the Ice Age, there wasn't many living things, but there was life. And there won't be any trees or anything much either. It'll be just snow and stuff. I've got the mass of about 1 Earth as well. That's pretty cool. Right, there's our moon. Right, I'm just hoping it doesn't go too hot. Is it gonna... Okay, I don't know how hot it'll be. Let's put a climate on it as well. Can we put a climate on? Yeah, there we go. I think we still have a little too much water though for my liking, so let's just remove a bit. Right, there we go. That looks pretty cool. Right, and anyways. Wait, can I change the display mode? Wait. Oh, I can't change the display mode. Oh, that's not cool. Wait, is it because I have the climate on? Like, I don't know why that's doing that. Alright. So I want to change the colour of the land. Wait, can I not change it? Well. Dang it. I can't change the colour for some reason on this custom thing. So, looks like I'm just going to have to delete that, sadly. Let's just put the one I made from the past on, and then we can edit it more. So, where is it? This is my original one anyway, so let's put that back in here. Where is it? Oh, it's a lot larger. Let's just pretend it's the one we just made. So let's put it back to about 1 mass of Earth. Or it's 1.002 to be precise, so there we go. And it was a little larger, I think. Yeah, let's just leave it like that. Whoa, 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 it's too big. And let's just make the moon orbit again. Wait, why is it all the way down there? What? Right, anyways, let's just quickly move it up. Here we go. Yeah, you gotta bear with me quick. Right, anyways, I think that's all good. Yeah, there we go. So we've now got our moon on tilted orbit. Yeah, a little more unique. So for some reason, I don't know why the climate can change, but now I can change the colour of the land, as you can see here. So let's go to where we was. So the planet would be it'd be a lot of snow on it. It wouldn't be very green at all. It would just be mountains and ice and things like that. So there we go. And the planet is just about to come out of the freezing process. So let's put it to about 0 degrees, and yep, it's going into the positives. Or the moon looks like it's getting a little. Right, let's just make it reflect a little more light. Whoa, that temperature looks pretty hot. Yeah, I think the luminosity is a little too bright on the star for how close we are. So let's turn it to 50% of the sun. There we go. Is the orbits okay? Alright, perfect. Right, let's just hope the planet doesn't go too hot. Okay, yeah, we need to reflect a lot more light. That's way too hot. Yeah, the star's still too hot, I think. That's not good, because we're too close. So let's just turn it to about 2% of the 20% of the sun. Right, there we go. Alright, that's better. Okay, we've got some strange looking orbits, but that will help if the planet gets too hot where it is right now. Right, 47 degrees, is that okay? Alright, anyways. Okay, we don't have enough water right now. Let's just add water, or one more like water. There we go, that's better. Alright, so now as the Ice Age ends, life will have a chance to like evolve more. Let's just move that as well. Yeah, life will have a chance to evolve more, and also plants. So when I say plants, you can also imagine, trees will start to grow and things like that. So you can start to see little patches of green appear. And then until the whole thing turns to a more... How should I do it? Is that okay? We don't have too much green. Let's turn this to like yellow. So we've got some sand as well. Because it won't just be like wood and trees and grass. It'll also be dirt, stone, sand and stuff like that. So we've got some beaches, I guess. So there we go. We've got a much more friendly, happy looking planet now. Wait, what about this grey? Can I... Okay, that's like the main colour. So what do I want to put that as? I think I'll do like a darker green. Is that too dark? I don't know. Yeah, colours are quite hard to pick on this, honestly. In fact, no, I think this is meant to be the snow, because these are the high points. These are the mountains. Let's put that to white. So there we go. There's our mountains. Here would be like grasslands. Oh. And this would be like the beaches. Well, anyway, you get the point. So we've got the highlands, we've got the lower areas, and we've got our oceans, obviously. Cool looking islands as well. I have the like graphics quality on low right now. So if I have it on high, I get a lot of lag and it's not fun. So obviously if you've seen some of my Minecraft videos, yeah, I complain about lag a lot. I love this colour feature, it's so cool. Wait, can I... What happens if I put it on grey? Yeah, I think that looks good for now. So here's our, like, Earth. This is our custom one. And that's how similar it is to the real Earth. Oh, so it's about 75% like the real Earth. And it's got a 40% chance that life will evolve. So there we go. So here's our custom Earth. And that's pretty cool. So apart from that, so we've made the custom Earth now. So that should be stable. So let's speed up time. Oh, it's way too hot. Oh my god. Why is it that hot? But like I said, as it moves away, because the closest point to the star is there, here it should cool down to a lot safer temperature. So let's see if it can actually get down to about 15 degrees. I was going to have to decrease the star. Yeah, I'm going to have to decrease the star again. Dang it. Yeah, we should have left it the way it was. So let's do it as 0.09, so 9% of the sun. 0.09. There we go. That's a lot smaller, and hopefully it will behave a little better. Yeah, there we go, it's cooling down a lot more. 30 degrees, 20 degrees, 15, and it hit 0, dang it. So simply we just need to let it absorb a little more light. Simple as that, because I had it reflected like a lot of light. That's what albedo is. That's the amount of light it reflects. It's still getting really hot, my god. Okay, 40, it can't be at 40 either, it needs to be in the 20s. 30, 20, 15, 12, 9. That'll be the winter season. Okay, it's too cold now. Dang it. Right. That okay? Come on. We need to stay in positive temperatures here. Like 10, 11, 8. Yep, there we go. That'll be a stable planet. I'm pretty sure that would work. And we've got our moon as well. We also got tidal heating from our moon as well. The moon would provide a little temperature. I don't think it would do much, but yeah. Yeah, what do you think of my moon? I think that looks quite cool. It's spinning a lot. Look at that. Let's slow that down a bit. 49 minutes. Let's speed that up to like 9 and 9. There, 16 hours. That's a little better. And, oh wow, we ended up with 23 hours time as well. Okay. So there we go. That is pretty much my custom Earth. So let's save that as well as like my updated one. In fact, let's just call it 2. I want to keep the original one. So, Pascal 2. Right, so save that. And there we go. So what do you think of my custom Earth? Did I do good? Like, anything I missed? Like, yeah, leave a comment down below. Like, did I do anything wrong? Anything you want me to improve on? Should I remake the video and be a little better with what I'm saying? I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I don't know if I'm the best with the colouring yet. I still need a little practice with it, but I think that looks pretty cool. Right, anyways, let's just have a look at our other inner planets. Let's see how hot they are. So this would probably be the most likely candidate for Venus, honestly, but 34 degrees, not bad. Wait, could we? Maybe life could live here as well, just if we added water in an atmosphere. How hot does this go? 32, 33, yeah, it's a little too hot. And then this one's at 300 degrees, so this is way too hot. And it's quite a dark surface. And it only reflects 45% of its light, so it absorbs quite a lot of light and stuff as well. Alright, let's check how... This is probably what Mars... Whoa, why is this at 60? Whoa! Ooh, get a close encounter there with Pascal as well. How much? Oh, wow. Look at this. It only reflects 1% of the light it receives. So 99% of the light that hits this planet doesn't get reflected out. So only 1% of the light leaves this planet. So this is worse than Venus almost. If this had a much heavier atmosphere, because Venus's atmosphere is a lot heavier. If that was like a Venus atmosphere, it would be so hot. So let's just get a Venus here quick. Alright, so there's a Venus. So Venus's atmosphere is 91.3 ATM. This one is only at, let's have a look, 0 or 2% of it. So let's put 93, let's just do 93. And let's see how hot this thing gets with Venus's atmosphere. This is going to be mad. Oh, look at that temperature go up. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, this thing is literally going to turn into a fireball. Well, that's what you get when you only reflect 1% of the light you receive. So this planet is almost as bad as the planet they found in real life. That literally, it appears black in the sky. Like, it's really hard to spot. The whole planet is black because it doesn't reflect any light. Because the reason we can see like the colour of a planet, or like the surface of it from like space, is because it reflects light. But if it absorbs all the light, like there won't be any light to see, so the planet would just be like pitch black. So even if you're looking at it from like here, the whole thing would be black. So in theory, the colour of this planet, because it only absorbs heat pretty much, the whole thing should be pretty much black. Right, so let's do that. Oops. Yeah, Google like the dark, if you have the time, Google like the darkest planet. So it'd be something like that. It would absorb all the light and its surface would be ridiculously hot. Let's put a bit of grey in, there we go. No, it wouldn't be like that either, it'd be literally pitch black. Like that. Right, so there we go, that's it. There we go, we've got cool, this is quite a cool system actually, I think I'll save this. Alright, so we've got some gas giants, yeah, usual gas giant thing, always below 0 degrees. Where's this thing on its side? Where's the North Pole of this? Oh, it's like a Uranus. It's like Uranus, it's on its side. Alright, what else we got? Look at the system, this is cool, I like this. Alright. Rimange, I think you say. Right. Who's next? How far away are these guys from the star? Let's have a look. Alright, so this is the distance Earth would be. If that was our sun, Earth would be about here. So it looks like our planet is really close, because that's a red dwarf star. It was made on Proxima Centauri originally, so the furthest planet is only 2 wait, what's that? 4 or about 5 astronomical units at its furthest. Thackeray. There we go. So that's our furthest gas giant. Because if you remember, because it's only a red dwarf, it doesn't emit as much light as the sun, so planets would probably get dark around here. So let's just add like that there. This planet should be pitch black. Yeah, you can see it's getting darker. Let's see how far like the light of this star goes for. Let's go all the way over here. Yeah, and they go pitch black. So this star does not emit as much light at all. Because if this was the sun, how far is this? Was that? Okay, yeah, the sun wouldn't reach that far either. But yeah, you get the point. This star won't like shoot out as much light. Whoa, look at the safe zone. Wow. Yeah, let's just get the sun actually. Let's compare it. Look at that like safety zone compared to the sun. This is proof the sun's brighter. You have to be further away from it because it's more dangerous. Yeah, but anyways. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did what you asked. Kiefer Cheever's the Yoshi or the water Yoshi. I did what you requested. I made my Earth. I made my Moon. And I did it with like the hypothesis of how our actual real life Earth was made. And this is becoming quite a long video, so I'm gonna have a long time uploading this. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was quite fun actually. Yeah, so if you have any suggestions for me to do, yeah, I'll do them. And I'll hopefully be a little more confident in what I'm saying this time. I don't know what was wrong with me today. I didn't really say much. I think I had so much stuff to say that I just mess up, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, am I doing good? Like, am I good at commentating this? Yeah, just leave your comments. What do you think? I want to know what you hear. Or I want to know what your thoughts are. Let's just say that, yeah. Right, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you like the name of my planet, I guess. And let's see its overall, yeah. So 45% chance of life happening. So that's pretty good. Alright, anyways, see you in the next video. Have a good day and goodbye. And some Phobos is in. There we go. Phobos shouldn't even be a circle or like a circular object in this, because in real life it's an asteroid. Mars probably called it from the asteroid belt. I don't think we'll ever know that though. And Phobos is actually destined to crash into Mars as well eventually. It'll get destroyed by Mars's tidal forces and it will become a ring system. So from what people are saying, Mars will one day have a ring system, and that would be pretty interesting. So it'll be the first inner planet to get rings that we know of. We don't know if like any of the inner planets had rings like in the past. Yeah, why is Pascal just a cloud right now? That's mad. How large is it now? Is it large enough for Mimas yet? Is it? Not yet. Alright, oh my god, look at it. Yeah, look at that, 56 now. And then also, as planets form, they'll be getting... So I'm just going to call this a fragment quick. As planets form, obviously, this wouldn't be the only planet in the system. There'd be other planets, that's why I put like Mimas over there, but there'd be lots of other planets in the system as well, it wouldn't just be one, so... And they'd also be gaining in size as well, so instead of just throwing loads of Phoboses at it, I should be throwing larger objects, since as the system, like as it continues... Right, let's do that. Now we're going to grow. I have to turn that on. I don't want to throw Mimas, that's a bad idea. Wait, let's just throw loads of Phoboses in. Alright, that's gonna take a while. Come on, there we go. In fact, I'm just gonna click it a ton of times, let's just say that. Right, anyways. Yes, and also, if you guys have any suggestions for what I should do in this game, leave a comment down below and I'll probably reply to it, and also I'll probably actually do it in a video. Alright, anyways. Oh, that's getting pretty hot. How hot are we now? Come on, let me click on it. There's all like little particles coming out. We're at 4,000 degrees now. It's almost as hot as the sun. We're definitely hotter than Proxima over there. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, 3,069. This is at 4,100. Anyways, let's speed it up. We're gonna get any bigger in size? Yep. Gotta keep on doing this for some reason. Well, is it see-through? Wait, can we can... Yeah, it's see-through, look. It's so hot, it's just like a see-through ball now, look. I can actually go inside it. Oh, that's cool. I don't know how this is I don't even know how this is even a thing. What, is it made of gas? No, it's literally just silicate. Oh, I guess if you make it too hot, it goes all weird. Alright, anyways. Let's continue new frame. Proxima, let's have a look. Probably about, let's just rename it as well. Let's just call it Star. Alright. So we probably want to put it in the green zone, I guess. So anyways. In fact, no, actually, should we have it? Yeah, let's put it in the green. Alright, so I obviously want to start off with, so what should I base it on? So let's base it on an Earth. So I just want to have it so I can change like the atmosphere features and the climate. So let's just pretend this is like, let's just make it really small. So let's make it 6 kilometers wide. There we go. So this is our like first piece of debris which we want to make a planet from. So let's rename it Pascal as well, because for some reason I like that. Don't judge me. But anyways, let's turn that off. Right, so here's our first ever like planet, I guess. And also, because they said make your own moon as well, let's put another like, so let's just grab a let's just do a Mimas. It's quite large. Let's put it over here for now. So pretend that's another planet for now, because if you've like looked at the hypothesis for like how the moon came, they think it like hit the Earth and things like that. So I think I may do the same thing here. I don't know. Oh, that looks pretty cool. How the stars in the middle of the Milky Way. That's pretty cool. But anyways, so let's start this up. So let's hit play. Oh, and Pascal seems to be losing some mass. I think that was... Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. I'm actually planning to do a lot more of these now, but anyways, I got a comment on my last video saying... Where is it? It said, make your own Earth moon. It was from a person called... sorry if I'm saying this wrong. Kiefer Cheevers the Water Yoshi. But anyways, yeah, I got a comment from them and they said, make your own Earth and moon. So here's a planet I've had for a long time now. I called it Pascal. I don't know, I just liked the name. I just heard it and I liked it, so I just named the planet after it. But anyways, yeah, I made this in like one of the old updates, but today I'm gonna be making like a new version of this in the new updates. I haven't actually really done that yet. So anyways, let's go into a new simulation and let's do this. So first of all, I just want to place a sun. So the fact that it says a new Earth and moon, the comment, I'm guessing it means like from formation. So I want to, so pretend this is like, oh, whoops. Whoa, what happened there? Why'd it go back? What the heck? Wait. Oh, there we go. I knew that I'd fix it. Right, anyway, so pretend our new star has just formed. So our proto star has just turned into our main sequence star. And now there's going to be a lot of dust and debris around this new star. And then we obviously want to form that into planets. So anyways, what would be a decent distance and some of the water on it? Yeah, the water's gone. Alright, anyways, let's start hitting it with things. Actually, I think it's a little too small actually. Let's just make it quickly 20 kilometers maybe. There we go. So now we can actually throw stuff into it. Right, anyways, so basically what I want to do is I literally just want to start throwing stuff into it. Alright, there we go. Don't want to make it too fast, because we need to get this planet into some proper, well, good amount of mass. Let's throw some of Mars's moons at it. Phobos and Demos, I think it's how you say them. I don't know about the second. I know how you say the first one, Phobos, but I don't know about the second one, Demos. I don't know. But anyways, let's just spam these guys in. Look at all the debris coming out. But Pascal is getting bigger, that's for sure. Oh, it's got like a fiery surface now. That's pretty cool. You don't really want to push it towards a star. You want to keep it in an even decent direction. Whoa. Yes, that looks pretty nice. Alright, nice. Oh, its rotation is all going to mess up now. If you just saw that. All of these collisions are making its rotation change. Look at all the debris as well. That's awesome. Alright, there's Mimus in the background over there. Right, so let's continue spamming objects in. Right, how large are we now? Can we throw a Mimus into it yet? Oh no, definitely not.